Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's begin with opening the camera app, and here in this model it doesn't really matter if you will be on the photo mode, video mode, it doesn't matter. All you have to do is to simply tap on this three dots icon on the left, let's say, and simply enter the settings. And as you can see right here, we can find the section which is connected to the video quality for the front camera and for the rear camera. So it's of course up to you. I will show you how to change it using the rear camera. Just tap on it, and as you can see right here, we've got three different options from which we can choose. So currently we've got the 4K option applied, but we can set a 1080p option and 720p. Unfortunately, we do not have any info about the frames per second. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, this one, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution when it will record some videos. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your LENOVO Tab P12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.